One more, yes! $250, and we got the bonus. Oh, yeah. When was the last time anybody saw live $250 Lightning Link bonus round? All right, guys, it's that time. Are you guys ready? $250 Lightning Link. Crazy Carl, $1 lucky super chat. It's ready. Crazy Carl's kicking it off. 4,500. All right, 4,500 people watching. All right, let's get the. Come on, everybody. Come on, let's see it, guys. Hashtag Rajas. This could be big. We got the lucky counter. We're gonna do 100 spins at $250 a spin. There it is, the lucky counter. You can see it here. Who wants to count? Fast Eddie, $2.79 super chat. Brian still isn't warming up for chicken dance.
I'm on standby.
All right, the chips are there. Oh yeah, the lucky coin counter right here, ready to go. Thank you guys for all the thumbs up. 4,500 people ready. 100 spins at $250 a spin. Hey, here, who wants to? You want that? T is gonna be the official counter.
What is this? How many times?
420 times, T.
All right.
But let me know when we get to 100. All right.
Count
Todd the Bloom in the house. $25 super chat. All right. 100 spins, T. That's 320 less than a 420. Yep. Got it done. All right. Are you guys ready? Spin number 1. Here it is. Oh, did I ever tell you how much I love this machine? Spin 2. $40. It's the slot machines in the house. Do that bonus now. Come on. Look at those chips. Yeah, where were they on that bonus? Tita Lynn, 49 super chat, coming to Oregon anytime soon. No current plans for Oregon. Crazy Carl, $1 super chat. Oh, the major event, 55. Wow. Come on. One more, yes! $250, and we got the bonus. Oh, yeah. I'm not even going to start this until there's 2,500 thumbs up. I don't care what they say. When was the last time anybody saw live $250 Lightning Link bonus round? Oh, my God. America. Colorado. All right. All right. 14 spin in. Oh, I'm so nervous. All right, left or right? What do you think?
That's amazing.
Left or right? Left or right?
You want it? Okay.
Wow, I've never seen anybody give a Brian and Denver chip right back to him. Should do his best. SB Dreaming, $2 super chat. Boom! Crazy Curl, $2 super chat. I gave you that. I'm still waiting for my coins. Okay.
Smash that like button, everyone.
Left and right, Gizmo said. I know, left or right? What do you guys think here? Left? Huh? The coin? Heads or tails? Left it is. We went right earlier. 200 wilds need to be added. What? That's horrible. Well, it's more free games with less wilds. Maybe the game will just naturally have some wilds. Oh. Wow. Oh my God. I read it.
Yeah, but Joanne Burke won the contest. Come on. 6 and 9.
Wow. We need something here. Retrigger. Ah. Wow. Horrible. Yes, finally. All right. Finally something. I mean, it's nothing. What is that gonna pay? Like $1,000? Man, we need a miracle on this final spin here.
Full screen of camos. Oh, look, it's still going. Come on.
Thank God. These will go to like 10. Rick, $1 super chat. Come on. This is awful. Who makes this game? Not kidding. Not kidding. 2610. Come on, one more. Retrigger. 2610. It's like a mini boom, but 250 bet. But it's something. At least we got something. I know we need the 10x multiplier. All right. 2510. I'm just happy we got one. Big shout out to everybody over in Australia at the Lightning Link headquarters watching live. Trouble Troy Jackson, $2 super chat. Right. A little late. All right. What are we on? Spin number 14. Fast Eddie. Fast Eddie, 99 cents super chat. All right. Spin number 14. Here comes spin number 15. Ah, that's why I need a coin bonus. I hate the regular bonuses. I want coins.
There you go.
Yes.
Hey, that's a happy.
Now it's $1,000. I don't know what country you're from, but in America, it's $1,200. You need $1,200. Dumb. Come on, guys. Hashtag those Rajas. 4,600 watching live. 2,500 thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all the thumbs up. It makes me feel like you appreciate me just a little bit. Jamie, $2 super chat. Any plans to come to Canada? We were just in Vancouver not too long ago. One more. Yes! 4! Ay, ay, ay.
There we go.
Oh.
37.50. Just
Already, 37.50. This is why I love Lightning Link so much. We're gonna have to move on this bonus. We're gonna have to move on this bonus fast because
65.83.
hey, we gotta move on this bonus fast. What time is Brian supposed to be at Thunder from Down Under show? What time does it start, Brian?
At 10 o'clock.
37.50. What do you guys think now? Huh?
Oh, Tyler Smith, $2.
Tyler Smith, $2 super chat. I say go right on this one. Tyler, you're putting a lot on the line if I go right and you're wrong. But if I go left and you're wrong, you could be right. But then you'd be left, not right. The big, huh?
Well, they don't show you what the other choice was.
It's already figured out. Yeah, it's already.
All right, what do you guys, do we figure it out?
Smash that like button, everyone.
Those are the guys who built the game.
Let's get to 4,000
Those are the guys who made the game. They're watching live.
You guys get to 4,000 likes. We're going to BRB chicken dance around the whole casino.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool. But yeah, that's the guys over. Yeah. Oh, he's the one said you're coming out. But that's the guys all the way in Australia watching us live mutilate their machines. All right, Tyler Smith. Pray. Tyler Smith. Horrible. But these are the guys over in Australia.
Come on.
We did a miracle here.
Here you go. Oh.
Well, I guess at least we got the 37.50 to begin with. That was better than it could have been. Nothing. Come on. All right, $20. Was that 60, 80?
Come on, this has got to be at least a $20,000
The pace we're going to be looking to hit 5. Yeah, retrigger we need. Maybe it'll save us. Clayton, $2 super chat. Go with left again, please. Yeah. I told you I was going to go left, too. But now Tyler knows everything. No. Wow. Thank God we had 4 of them because we would have only won $230, $220. Wow. What's 39.70. That's still a boom. It's better than our last one, and it came faster. We just need a coin bonus. All right, T. How many spins?
We're at 17 right now.
So, we got a long way to go here. All right. Spin 18. Come on. Here's some coins. 14, we had the first bonus. Oh! How much are 5 of those things? What does 5 pay? Like 10 grand? If 3 is like 450, then 3750. Tyler Smith, $2 super chat. Hashtag predetermined. LOL. No, that's not true, Tyler. Excuses. All right, how many T? 25th spin. Quarter of the way there. 100 spins at $250 a spin. Don't forget, tomorrow night is piggy banking Locket Link. $250 Locket Link piggy banking. Unless Lisa's on piggy banking and won't let me play it.
Me? You're doing so well. You can play this game if you want to.
I'm just kidding. All right.
It hasn't been played high. So you might win.
Come on. Bonus. We're doing a coin bonus with some big chips. Brandon, $2 super chat. It's a rigged assista. Come on. Be live tomorrow night, 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time again. Come on, something here. Man, I was so excited with 4 of those things to start. What a tease. All right, how many spins? 44 spins. 45 spins. Up, hold on. Krylix. Lose all your money. Haha. Everybody, let's wear those troll emojis for Krylix. Hashtag hugs for Krylix. I can't believe some people are so negative. Just so negative. Where are those trolls? I love those troll emojis Simon made for those trolls. One more. Man. How many? 50, halfway there. Crazy Carl, $1 super chat. There we go, something. 200, 400, 600, 600. There we go, a little something. Alright, come on. Come on, coins. 100 games. I deserve 6 coins. How many T?
7 right now.
60? 60 spins. Come on, yo. Oh, man. We need some more hashtag Rajas here or something. Oh, come on. Coins. I wish it had like that one where you could pick the coins or the bonus. Locker Link does. Yes. All right. There. Oh, that's good. That should be. T is calling for a hand pay. Yeah.
Really?
Every line is $50. $1,000. One line for $1,000. It's gonna be like 1,300. What is it, like 13, 1,400? Something. Lisa got it. Psychic Mike, $2 super chat. Coins. Everybody, hashtags. We need coins. All right. A little something here. Come on. Just remember, guys, always gamble responsibly. Never gamble with more than you want to lose. It's not a make money or business proposition. For fun and entertainment. Keep going is right. Come on. Needs to go to like 8,000. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Wow, there we go. Yeah. Mr. Miss Slots, $2 super chat. Time for them coins. All right, 5,000 even. Boom, there we go. 5,000 even. All right, how many spins, T?
68.
60. Huh?
32 more pulls.
68 spins, 32 more spins left. Big shout out to the guys in Australia who make Lightning Link watching live with us. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be having 100 spins on Lightning Link at $250. I wouldn't have this nerve-wracking stress. Coins! How hard could it be to get 6 coins?
I want to play more. You want my game?
Ah, no. Wow, almost 5,000 people watching live. 350, all right, a little something. Come on, one more good one here. Massive one. That was probably like 250. That's it. Broke even.
76 right now.
20, 3/4 of the way there, guys. Ah, on the way there. That's right. It's time to get the grand for 108,000. I've never hit a grand yet. I've hit everything else but the grand.
What do you get if you hit the grand?
$108,177.74.
I want to hit the grand.
Come on, coins. Oh, talk about being blocked. Jesus. $4,800 people watching. 2,600. How many spins, T?
85 right now.
85 spins. You know what, T? If we either have 5,000 people watching or 3,000 thumbs up, I'm gonna do 25 extra spins at 250 as a bonus. So it's up to you guys. It's up to all you people watching who don't want to give us a thumbs up for good luck. Ah.
You have 2 over here.
Oh. All right. Kings for 2.
Oh, man.
Come on. See it here. Oh, that would have been nice. A major and a mini at the same. Come on. What kind of game? Ah, major. What kind of game can you spin 100 times and not get a simple little coin bonus? Yes, no, F it. $2 super chat. Mate, I reckon try the autumn moon or high stakes. Come on, let's see this thing. Man, how many, T?
97 right now.
97. 3 more left.
Oh.
Ah, man. Hey, those one row over.
Right, 99 right now.
And 100th spin. Ah, so close. Man, so close. Oh, thanks. Yeah, oh, have fun with the show. Yeah. Crazy Carl, $1 super chat, huh?
With that?
That's, or what are you looking at? Oh, yeah. Yeah, our website, yeah1.com. They give you man, did we do it? Are we at 3,000 thumbs up? Or 5,000 people watching for 25 more spins? T.
Awesome.
It's the official count. I don't know. We're almost there. You guys, these people got to get off their tushies and hit the thumbs up or tell their friends to watch, share, like. Let them know we are live on YouTube and 5,000 people are watching coast to coast, internationally acclaimed. The Big Jackpot,
That's not live.
It's coming.
the world's greatest slot player ever. The history of slot play.
Smash the like button, everyone.
I know, look at this.
Like 100
We did
away.
it. 5,000 watching live. You have to go to YouTube.
Come on, everyone. Hey, we just hit.
All right, 25 more spins, T. You ready? Start it over. 25. Let's do it. Spin number 1. Spin number 2. And this could be just as exciting tomorrow night. We have $250 a spin piggy banking. Come on, coins. Ah.
Big money.
Big shout out to everybody who's live on the Big Jackpot slot app, doing both multitasking, playing the Big Jackpot slot app, and watching us live. Just lower the volume.
Very delayed.
Huh?
Very delayed. Alright.
Oh, come on, coins. Don't forget the T-Win 420 coin special on the Big Jackpot slot app.
Get it now.
All right, let's do this.
All right, come on. This is the brand. I got the Lucky Brandy chip right here. Got the Lucky Brandy chip. There she is, that pretty girl. Look at that. Come on, Brandy. You got them all here, all the chips. The Michael chip. And the one and only Lucky Joseph chip right here. Come on, Joe. I'm counting on you like no other right now, Bobby R.
What?
Team, how you doing on the slot app is Joe's team. Everybody knows. All right, back to spinning here. Oh, I was just saying, oh my God, it worked. $100, $200. All right, how many spins, Steve?
We're at 116 right now.
116. Gosh, how can anyone make a game so hard to get 6 coins? What's that, T?
22.
122. 3 left. Yes, all right, that's something. There, a little better. Man, finally something.
Last pull.
Final pull. Oh, man. All right, we'll play around with it here. This thing's got 6 chips in there. Come on.
That would be
Tomorrow night, more luck play. Could be some Patreon play later on tonight, or not sure when, but we will. Don't forget my Snapchat, srich10195. Oh, yeah, when I go to $50, we finally get it. All right. As long as we get the minor, it's something, I know, but why couldn't we have got it at $250? All right, come on. If you guys haven't subscribed to the Big Jackpot YouTube channel yet, make sure you do. Click on that subscribe button and click that gray bell so you get alerts when we go live. All right, another $100. All right, another 100. We're still in business. Come on, minor. Minor. All right, 150. Getting better. Minor. Oh my God. Come on, coin. At least we got it. At least the coins finally showed up. $9.50, a little mini boom. It's something.